Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna put this video out. I'm just gonna be super uber duper famous. I'm gonna have 1 billion followers here on YouTube. I'm just going to be YouTube famous. I'm just gonna have a successful business and just everything's just gonna be coming to me. Hold up, sis. Before you do all that, let me tell you something. In order to get all those great things, which is awesome, you have to have some good content, which equals more watch time, and more watch times equals more viewers, and more viewers equals more subscribers. And in order to get that, you have to plan your content, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Ashley Janay with a new Power Talk, teaching new YouTubers how to grow their channel and how to create the life that you are destined for. Consider subscribing to this channel where I upload new videos every Monday and some Wednesdays. But this is just your luck. I'm going to be posting new videos all this week of December the 17th through the 21st. So make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you don't miss a beat. Hey Lady 8, today is day 2 of my day 5 video blitz, and today we're going to be talking about video planning for your YouTube content. I want to make sure that you are doing these 3 simple steps before you hit record on your next video or even on your first video. So let's go ahead and dive right on into this. Before you hit record on your camera and just post your first video or even your 5th video, and you just looking to blow up on YouTube and just be super duper famous and just be super duper phenomenal, which you are, and you have great things to offer, but you need to do these 3 things right here. And that is number 1, research. You need to be researching exactly what it is that your audience or your ideal clients are looking for to help them move them from pain to pleasure. You need to make sure that you are, going on YouTube and you're actually doing the keywords that they are typing for instead of using the big words that that you're going to be talking about in your business. You need to be researching exactly what it is that they might be, struggling with. Like for instance, if you are a fitness coach and you're going in and you putting in, triceps or biceps or whatever, you need to be putting in the keywords that they might be looking for, such as like, sexy arms, arm workouts, leg workouts, flatter stomach workouts. Most people are not going to be putting, triceps and biceps and abs and I don't know the muscles that's in the legs to let you know I'm not a fitness person, but it's just to give you a key and general idea of what you need to be putting in for your research. And step number 2 is your script. Yes, I said it, script. You need to be writing out your outline for your video. So whatever you're going to be including in your videos, you want to make sure you have your guideline points so you won't be missing out on anything. As far as if you're going to be talking about 3 steps to help get sexy arms, you need to be talking about those 3 steps. If you're going to be mentioning boot camp that you're going to be doing, you want to make sure that you put that in your script so that way you don't forget to mention it in your script, and you just want to pretty much have your guideline to hold your audience retention. And speaking of audience retention, make sure you stay around to the end of this video because I'm going to be talking a little bit more about how to keep and hold and grab your audience. So before I get into my step number 3 and the last 2 steps that I have to offer for this video, I want to make sure that you're still following along with me. If you're getting any value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button down below. Step 3 is to make a list. And with your list, you want to create different graphics, whether you're going to have text slides, if you're going to shoot B-rolls. You want to make sure that you're making a list of everything that you're going to include in your videos, so that way your videos are nicely and neat and planned out and you're ready to put your content out there onto YouTube. So let's go ahead and do a recap. You want to make sure that you research so that way you are knowing what your audience are researching, so that way you can come up with a good title. You have your script so that way you can have a guideline of everything that is going to be put in your video so you make sure you don't miss out on anything. And then you're going to make a list of all your different graphs, your text slide, your B-rolls, and all that good stuff that you're going to be putting into your videos to make sure that it's incorporated so everything comes together nice and clean for your videos. And lastly, as I mentioned earlier, audience retention, making sure that you are, holding your audience attention, you grabbing them and keeping them hooked. So as you see earlier in the video, I told you that I was going to mention it and make sure that you stick around to the end because I'm going to talk about it later. So if you made it this far in the video, I'm glad that I held your attention. To do that, you want to make sure that you're opening up your video with exactly what it is that these audience are going to be expecting in your video, whether you're asking some type of question or you're doing some type of teaser. Teaser is like a cliffhanger. You see that in like Grey's Anatomy. Like they'll end the season off with a big banger and hoping, you know, to keep you drawn and stayed on until another season comes back on. So you want to make sure that you're doing that in your videos. It's just, you know, you rising and falling with your content. Now you know how to plan your YouTube content. When you do your research, you will be searched. Now what about when you want to 10x your engagement? That is going to increase your income. Well, today only, make sure you go ahead in the description box and click the link down below to grab your free copy of videos that connect to 10x your engagement. That is going to 10x your income. Hey, my fellow lady entrepreneurs, if you're feeling stuck or lack of support in your business, or if you want to be a part of a community to share business tips, be sure to click the link below to join my Facebook group, Rise Women Entrepreneurs Rise Mastermind Facebook group. Any value from this video? What was your biggest wow moment? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you tomorrow with brand new tips on video ranking. Thanks for watching.